Good day everyone. In case you are facing this blue screen problem which says your PC ran into problem and needs to restart, I want to show you how to fix it. There are many factors that cause this. Number one is driver issues. If your driver is corrupt, it can cause this. And number two is window being corrupted. Number three is hardware problem. In all these, I will show you how to fix it. So to fix it, come to your desktop and locate your search button. Search for reset this PC. Click on it. When it opens this page, click on reset now and click on reset now. This will bring these options. So you can see choose an options. Click on troubleshoot and it will bring this option. Click on advanced option. You can click on start repair to repair the issue. If it doesn't fix it, come to command prompts. Then in this command, enter this first command, sfc /scan now, and hit enter key. So this will search for all junk file or corrupted file and fix it. If it doesn't work, then enter this second of command, chkdsk /f c : and hit the enter key. Then after that, enter this third command, bootrec /fix mbr, and enter key. Then the third one is bootrec /fix boots, and hit the enter key. So this should fix the problem. So the next one is bootsec /nt60 sys. So if it doesn't fix it, come back here and click on continue. But if it doesn't fix it, click on troubleshoot and come to command prompt again. Then enter this command, mdsched. When you hit enter, it will bring this window memory diagnostic. So click on restart now. Click on restart now, and then it will bring this window memory diagnostic tool. It will look for any problem with the system memory and fix it. This may take some time. You have to wait for it. After that is done, come back to this choose an options. Then come to troubleshoot again and come to advanced options. Then click on setup settings and click on restart. So here it will bring this page. You need to choose an options of what you want to do. For instance, I will choose option 4. Once I click on 4, it will take me to save mode. Then come to your search button or bar and search for the disk cleanup. Here is disk cleanup. Click on it. So click OK. Then here it will search for all temporary files and caches that is disturbing your system from functioning well and remove everything. So just make sure you check all these files that might be the reason for the problem. Scroll down and check all this. If you don't want any file in your recycling bin, check the recycling bin as well. Scroll down and check all these options. Check it and click on OK. Then click on delete files. This will remove all temporary files and caches that may be affecting the performance of your system. Again, come to start button, right click it and click on run. This will open this run page. Then enter this command msdt.exe space /id space device diagnostic and click on OK. So it will bring this hardware and devices. Then click on advanced. Make sure you check this apply repair automatically. Check it and click on next. Then check the problem you want to fix and then click on next. Depending on the problem, you can either choose enable or leave disable. So in my case, I'm going with enable. That's the first options. So I'll click on this first option, enable, and it will detect additional problem and fix it. So it has fixed it. If it fixed your problem, click on yes and then close this page. Then come back to search and search for control panel. Click on control panel. When it's open, come to programs and features. If you install a program or software recently that you think is the one causing it, so you have to right click the program and uninstall it. So after uninstalling it, check if the problem is fixed. Also, if it's an update you did recently that is causing the problem, click on this recent updates. Click on it and you will see the update that you think might be the reason. So uninstall that update from your system. After you have uninstalled it, then close these pages and then restart your system and see if the problem has been fixed. Otherwise, go back to this page and then come back to troubleshoot, come to advanced options and then come to system restore. So what we want to do here is to restore back your system to how it was before the problem started. If restore system file is found here, so just restore your system back to that date. If it doesn't fix it, come back to this troubleshoot and here you have to reset your system. Click on reset this PC. When you click on it, you have two options, either to keep my files or to remove everything. So I'm going with keep my files. And if you want to keep your file, we have two options also. We have the cloud download, which may require internet connectivity. This will download the latest versions and reset your system. And the second option is the local reinstall. You can also use that as well, but I will go with the cloud download. So I'll click on the cloud download to download and reset my PC to the latest state or versions. So I hope this solves your problem. If it doesn't solve it, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.